Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining us today on the Electric Guy. Some of you might question what is the use of motherboard, and all of you might know that it is the controller of every single component on a motherboard. But do you know that it is not that much it does? So let's go into this deep and find the answer. Before understanding a motherboard, let's first understand a simple microcontroller, which is your Arduino. An Arduino contains many pins on which we can connect our sensor, let's say a heat sensor, and according to programming, we observe on the Arduino it decodes the signal from the heat sensor and show the output on, let's say, a LCD screen. You can find more details about it from the link in the description. In this way only, your motherboard is programmed to utilize different components like your mouse, your processor, your RAM, and keyboard attached to it, and this system is called as BIOS. Its full form is Basic Input Output System. It boots your operating system from the hard drive and handles the data type with the help of your keyboard and mouse, with the help of processor, graphic card, and RAM, and displays its output on the screen. There are different versions of BIOS, and each can handle the components which are made for it. For example, the processor socket on your motherboard are of many types, like for AMD, it is AM3, FM2, FM2 Plus, and many more. The FM2 and FM2 Plus socket are of similar layout, but a FM2 Plus processor is not supported in a FM2 socket. The main reason behind it is that the BIOS are not programmed in such a way that you can support FM2 Plus processor in an FM2 socket. In that case, some motherboards allow you to update the BIOS so that the latest in the market can also work in it. There are many more components on a motherboard such as capacitors, resistors, and inductors, which ensures correct amount of flow of power to your graphic card, RAM, and processor, so that they will not get burned while operating. The motherboard also controls the speed of your processor fan, so that the processor will not get heated up and burn itself. Motherboard comes in different sizes such as ATX, Micro ATX, ITX, etc. Different sizes of motherboard have different slots for the graphic card and RAM. You can find more about it from the link in the description. And now you know the full answer about your computer's motherboard. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to stay tuned with my upcoming videos, please subscribe.